Most people think millionaires are just lucky. They think rich people were born into better families, had better connections, or started with more money. But what if I told you? The biggest difference between broke people and self-made millionaires has nothing to do with intelligence. In fact, according to Warren Buffett, the habits that make people rich are often so simple. Most people ignore them completely, and that's exactly why they stay poor. See, millionaires don't just earn differently. They think differently. They spend differently. They react differently. While most people use money to impress others, millionaires use money to buy freedom. And today, we're breaking down the 10 habits self-made millionaires follow that most people completely ignore. But stay until the end, because habit number 10 is the one that silently separates wealthy people from everyone else. And once you understand it, you may never look at money the same way again. Quick question: have you ever bought something? Not because you needed it, but because you were stressed? Maybe new clothes, a new phone, food, shoes. That's emotional spending. And millionaires understand something most people never learn. Your emotions can bankrupt your future. Let's talk about it. Habit number 1. They control emotional spending. Most people spend money emotionally. Millionaires spend money logically. That's one of the biggest differences. Poor people often use money to escape feelings. Sad, buy something. Stressed, order food. Worked hard, reward yourself. And this is exactly how many people stay trapped financially for years. Because every emotional purchase steals from your future wealth. Now listen carefully. Self-made millionaires are not emotionless people. They simply don't let temporary emotions control permanent financial decisions. Warren Buffett once said, "The most important quality for an investor is temperament, not intellect." Notice what he didn't say. He didn't say IQ. He didn't say talent. He said temperament. That means emotional control. Millionaires understand that discipline creates freedom. While everyone else is chasing temporary pleasure, they are building long-term peace. And honestly, this is where most people fail. Because social media has normalized emotional spending. People buy things they cannot afford to impress people they don't even like. And the scary part? They call it self-care. If you're enjoying this video already, make sure you subscribe to Tanasco Explained. On this channel, we break down wealth psychology, financial freedom, and the mindset shifts rich people use to build lasting success. And trust me, the next habits get even more powerful. Habit number 2. They avoid the reward yourself trap. This one destroys more futures than people realize. The reward yourself trap. Now don't misunderstand this. There's nothing wrong with enjoying your money. But millionaires understand timing. Most people reward themselves before they build wealth. Millionaires reward themselves after the results come. Big difference. A broke person gets paid, then immediately spends money to feel successful. A millionaire gets paid, then buys assets first. This is why many people earn good salaries, yet stay broke for years. Every month becomes work hard, spend money, restart. No wealth is being built, just survival with better packaging. And Warren Buffett's life is proof of this mindset. Despite being one of the richest men in the world, he lived in the same house for decades. Why? Because rich people understand something powerful. Looking rich and being rich are completely different things. Most people are trying to look wealthy. Millionaires are trying to become wealthy. And those are two completely different games. Imagine two people making the same amount of money. One buys liabilities to impress strangers. The other buys investments quietly for 10 years. At first, they look the same. But after a decade, one is trapped. The other is free. That's the power of delayed gratification. Habit number 3. They think long-term. Poor thinking asks, "How can I enjoy today?" Millionaire thinking asks, "How will this decision affect me 10 years from now?" That single mindset shift changes everything. Self-made millionaires understand compound growth, not just with money, but with habits. Small, smart decisions repeated for years create massive outcomes. And this is why rich people are patient. They know wealth is usually boring before it becomes exciting. But most people quit too early. They want fast money, fast success, fast results. And because of that, they fall for scams, fake gurus, and shortcuts. Meanwhile, millionaires quietly build, one investment at a time, one skill at a time, one business decision at a time. Warren Buffett became incredibly wealthy because he respected time. Not hype, not trends, time. And here's the scary truth. Most people underestimate what consistency can do in 10 years because they're obsessed with what happens in 10 days. Habit number 4, they protect their attention. Your attention is either making you richer or poorer. Millionaires understand this deeply. That's why many wealthy people are extremely selective about what they consume. Most people spend hours consuming entertainment, but minutes learning financial skills. Then they wonder why their life never changes. Listen carefully. What controls your attention controls your future. If your brain is constantly distracted, you'll struggle to build anything meaningful. And today's world profits from distraction. Notifications, drama, endless scrolling. The average person wakes up and immediately gives their mind away to social media. Millionaires do the opposite. They guard their focus, because focus creates value, and value creates wealth. Think about this. If you planted a seed, then dug it up every day to check if it's growing, would it ever grow properly? Of course not. That's exactly what most people do with goals. No patience, no focus, no consistency, and then they blame luck. Habit number 5, they live below their means. This habit sounds simple, but emotionally, it's one of the hardest things to do. Why? Because society rewards appearances. People clap for expensive lifestyles, not financial discipline. But self-made millionaires understand something critical. Every unnecessary expense delays freedom. Now, this doesn't mean rich people never enjoy life. It means they don't let lifestyle inflation destroy their future. As income increases, most people immediately increase spending. Bigger car, bigger phone, more luxury. Millionaires often increase investments first. That's why many wealthy people don't look rich, because real wealth is usually hidden. A flashy lifestyle can be rented, but financial freedom? That takes discipline. Habit number 6, they value knowledge over entertainment. Warren Buffett spends hours reading every day. That alone should tell you something. Millionaires understand that information changes income. Most people only learn what school forced them to learn. Millionaires become lifelong students. They study money, business, psychology, communication, investing, because every new skill increases leverage. And this is important. The average person spends years mastering entertainment, but almost no time mastering money. That's dangerous, because if you don't understand money, someone else will always control your financial future. And here's the crazy part. The information that could change your life is often free. Books, podcasts, interviews, knowledge. But most people ignore it, because entertainment feels easier. You can entertain yourself for years and still remain financially stuck. But one mindset shift, one financial lesson, can completely change your future. That's the power of knowledge. Habit number 7, they don't follow the crowd. This is huge. Millionaires think independently. Most people follow trends. Millionaires follow principles. When everyone is panicking, they stay calm. When everyone is overspending, they stay disciplined. When everyone is chasing hype, they focus on value. And Warren Buffett is famous for this. He once said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." That's independent thinking. Most people are controlled by social proof. If everyone buys it, they buy it. If everyone panics, they panic. But self-made millionaires understand that crowds are often emotional, and emotional decisions usually create poor financial outcomes. Habit number 8, they invest in assets. Poor people buy things. Millionaires buy ownership. That's one of the clearest differences. Assets pay you, liabilities cost you, and wealthy people understand this early. Instead of only buying products, they buy investments, stocks, businesses, skills, real estate, digital assets. Because rich people know, wealth grows through ownership. This is why Warren Buffett loves investing. He understands that money should work harder than people do. Meanwhile, most people work hard for money, then spend all the money, and repeat the cycle forever. Millionaires break the cycle through investing. Imagine planting money like seeds. Most people eat all their seeds. Millionaires plant some of them, and years later, those seeds become financial trees. That's investing. Habit number 9, they master delayed gratification. This habit changes lives. Millionaires are willing to sacrifice short-term pleasure for long-term freedom. Most people want comfort now. Millionaires want freedom later. That's why they can say no to unnecessary spending, no to distractions, no to instant gratification, because they understand something powerful. Every financial decision is a trade. When you spend impulsively, You may be trading away future opportunities. And this is difficult in today's world because everything is designed to make you impatient. One-click buying, instant entertainment, fast dopamine. But wealth often requires patience. And patience is becoming rare, which makes it even more valuable. Habit number 10, they see money differently. This final habit changes everything. Millionaires don't see money as something to spend. They see money as a tool, a worker, a seed, a source of freedom. Most people see money emotionally. Millionaires see money strategically. That mindset shift is massive. Because once you stop seeing money as a way to impress people, you start using it to build options, freedom, time, peace, security. And this is the real goal. Not luxury, freedom. The freedom to choose your life. The freedom to avoid survival mode. The freedom to stop living paycheck to paycheck. And ironically, many people spend their entire lives trying to look successful while sacrificing the very freedom success is supposed to create. That's the trap. So here's the new way to think about money. Every dollar you spend today has two jobs. It can either buy temporary pleasure or permanent progress. And self-made millionaires understand this better than most people. They don't just ask, "Can I afford this?" They ask, "What is this costing my future?" That question alone can change your entire financial life. Because wealth isn't built from one giant decision. It's built from small daily choices most people ignore. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Tanasco Explain for more videos about wealth psychology, financial freedom, and the hidden habits of successful people. And before you go, comment this below: freedom over appearances. Because that mindset may be the beginning of your financial transformation. See you in the next video.